Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make Minecraft single player world into multiplayer. Okay, first things first, minimize Minecraft and open your browser. In the search bar, type playit.gg and press enter. Click on the download button to get the required software and choose the Windows version if applicable. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder and run it. The installation will then start automatically. Create an account when prompted. Once the installation is complete, launch the software. And here in playit.gg, select your region and choose Minecraft Java as the channel type. Check Enable Tunnel and click Add Tunnel and scroll down to update local address and find your local port. In Minecraft, open your world to LAN and note the local port displayed. What you want to do here is to copy the address shown at the top of the page and share it with your friends. And then, your friend can now use the provided address to join your multiplayer world. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now make Minecraft single player world into multiplayer. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!